TR info and vlogs. There are 8 different types of insurance in USA. Here we will discuss them one by one in detail. We already discussed in first two types of insurance like auto and home insurance in our previous video. In this video we will discuss about the third and the fourth type of insurance. Number 3, renters insurance. Renters insurance: if you don't own a home, that does not mean you don't need insurance. Renters insurance helps you to replace your belongings such as electronics, furniture, and clothing if they are stolen or damaged. Problems covered including fire, tornadoes, and explosions, and more. Without coverage, you would be responsible for replacing all of your stuff if your rental goes up in flames. While your landlord's insurance will cover damage to structure of a rental, it doesn't cover tenant property. In some cases, landlords will require proof of coverage to rent a unit. Rental insurance include personal property coverage. This coverage reimburses you if your stuff, furniture, clothing, and dishes is stolen or damaged by issue like a fire. Liability coverage: if you are liable for someone else injuries or property damage, this coverage can pay for the cost involved. For example, if someone falls in your apartment due to your negligence, liability insurance can pay for their medical bills. Additional living expenses coverage: if your rental damaged or destroyed by a problem covered by a policy making it uninhabitable, and this coverage will pay for your extra cost while you can't live at home. Number 4, umbrella insurance. Auto, home, and renters insurance come with liability coverage that protect you and your family assets from lawsuit brought against you. But every policy has a liability limits. If you have substantial assets, your homeowners, renters, or auto liability insurance may not be sufficient if you lose an expensive lawsuit. Umbrella insurance can provide additional liability insurance if the unexpected happens. You are liable. For example, let's say someone sue for your $500,000 of medical bills after tripping on your sidewalk and injuring their back. If your home insurance liability limit only goes up to $300,000, you are responsible for the remaining $200,000. Umbrella insurance would cover this extra cost. In next video we will discuss next two types, fifth and sixth type of insurance. Please subscribe our channel for more informative video. Thanks for watching this video.